Megan. Megan Rebecca, hello. Hello, Megan.
Is that yours?
Yes, I
Is
think
that
so.
Mommy's?
Yes.
Oh.
What are you saying? Talk to it.
Hello.
Say hello, Mr. Cameron.
Hello, Mr. Cameron.
Merry Christmas,
Cameron,
Tom.
Merry Christmas.
We see we waited for you, Tom.
Well, I see you did. Yes, look what you got.
Megan,
What?
show Grandpa your little doll.
What?
Show Grandpa your little doll over here.
Where's your doll?
The strawberry doll.
See?
Oh, yes.
What's her name?
Her name's a baby.
You tasted good. Oh, that's cute.
What does it say?
Oh, look at that. Because I love Megan.
We don't all
Now I've gotten you right up.
down.
See your teeth. Sit down, sit down. Yeah, that's better.
An idea where you're at.
Yeah.
This is for Daddy. This isn't my dad.
There's a quiet bunch.
I was getting just you and him. Now it's taking Megan's picture.
Oh.
Except Megan's not looking at me. Look at me, Megan.
Looking at her present.
Hi.
Look at Grandpa.
You guys didn't get out of here
Oh,
last
there's something underneath the puzzle.
Oh, look at that.
night. Nope, can't pick that one either. Why don't you pick that one over
Honey,
there,
there's
Megan?
plenty to pick from.
Pick that one right there.
No!
Okay, then don't.
It's the Robin one.
Ooh.
That's a nice
You mean you didn't get him jumper cables?
I thought about that, but it was too late.
Oh, pictures. How nice.
Let me see the
Kyle,
Kyle,
move,
move.
please.
Oh, it's
Kyle, move,
Kyle.
please.
That's cute. Kyle and Megan. Oh, I love those. Thank you.
Isn't that pretty?
It's a miniature shirt.
What does it say?
It says your gift would not fit in a box like a gaudy tie or a pair of socks. Go down the hall to the last door, open and walk a little bit more. There in the
Supposed to
closet,
rhyme.
you will see what would not fit beneath the tree. This is it! A plant, thank you!
You're welcome.
What is it?
baby talks. A dog! It talks. It's a baby and it talks.
Oh, boy.
It's a
Open it.
baby. It's hard.
Oh, isn't that a cute baby?
Hi.
Oh, and you got some twistums, too.
Hi.
Did she blink them all by herself?
Uh-huh. And she sucks.
You what?
She sucks. You put the bottle in.
Is she wet?
Oh.
That doesn't sound very nice, but she sucks.
This is all on. This is all being recorded, Dad.
No, but it doesn't sound good.
What is that,
Oh,
Kyle?
a game.
Oh, boy.
Not again.
Oh, mask.
Oh,
Mask.
What is it?
Mask.
Okay. Nice innocent
You
photo,
gotta watch.
right? But there's a machine gun there.
Oh, it's a handkerchief. See?
I don't know.
Oh. Grandparents are especially loved. I bet they're going to be two of
It
these.
goes on your.
Refrigerator.
Yeah.
Okay.
Whoa!
Nathan Bear.
See what you got.
Oh,
Oh, a
boy.
sweet teddy bear.
just make your Christmas?
Oh.
Aw, thank
And
you.
which one is it?
Thank you. That is,
Let's see.
oh, Mary Mary.
Quite
Quite
contrary.
contrary.
Yes, she sure is.
I joined the dog club, and I really don't have that many dogs except what I've made.
Yeah, I get Nathan Kyle to wash the car and shine my shoes.
I am not doing all that work
but
just
look,
for
no,
you.
no,
You're
you
pushing your luck.
Heart.
Nathan.
Suppose you're right.
Those are the earrings I wanted. I didn't look inside. Once I saw the stuff in there, I closed the
Wait
box.
a minute, open it again.
I was slow.
Let's see it. Let's see it. You have to turn it on.
It's on.
Video wars. I can take pictures faster than you can take pictures, faster than she can take pictures. Faster.
Moving though.
Oh no, now he's gonna be wearing that around. He's gonna wear a sign. I'm Brian's son. I'm not Brian's father.
I'll put a thing on the front that says I'm Brian's son.
And a scarf.
And a scarf.
Yes, to keep you warm. You're welcome.
The biggest boy.
Oh, I know what it is. Hat and a scarf.
How'd you guess?
How did you guess?
That child is bright.
Brian, you're gonna get one just like mine, and you'll be able to wear it to school.
Yeah, you can have the
The babysitter's arrived.
There's no way I'm babysitting anybody today. I babysat people all day long.
Uh-oh. It's a coffee mug.
He needs another one with that.
Boo hiss. Boo hiss. Says, yes, leave me alone. Yes, I'm middle-aged, but I'll grow out of it.
Oh, bro, gee. Let me see it. Let me see it.
Your turn, Kyle.
It's busy.
Get one. Get one.
Thank you.
There's also cat.
Good, Tiger.
Are you?
I recognize those people.
Granny and Grandpa.
Much to mother's chagrin. You got Minnie Mouse, didn't you?
Oh, isn't that pretty?
It's a necklace.